Today's first mission is a laundromat. Look at this. That's how much laundry you accumulate after what, 4 days? 5 days on the road?
It's been a week.
A week. After that, what do we got? We got a few things planned today. We got a swap meet, of course, right? Of course. We have an escape room. Hopefully we can get to that one on time. We should. A shave.
Pay for my baby.
A nice, maybe straight-edged blade shave. That'd be great. And then who knows what else the day's gonna hold. And we didn't know we were gonna go to a castle yesterday. We still have the hop on, hop off. We got all kinds of stuff. And then tomorrow we leave, yeah?
Yeah.
To Vienna. Full service laundry. Perfect. Just drop stuff off and go. Found the metro. Está el M3?
M.
What?
La Luxacer.
This is it? I see an M3 over there.
What is he doing that for anyway?
That's the story. Let's see what we got in this place. Metro 2. Okay. Validation. Let's see what we got.
We need two-way tickets.
Going back?
Yep.
Yes. For
One way and two way. Going back?
Yes.
Okay.
For 2 people.
4 ticket. 1,400 please. Thank you.
Very beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're amazing.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. We don't know where we have to go yet. We might be going Kijet. That actually might just mean exit. I don't know. Does it remind you of London? No, we can read in London. Here we're illiterate. There it goes. Okay.
There's something in Hungary.
I can never.
Exotic.
Something. Wow, look at this. You think we could ship that home? What is that, a furnace?
Okay.
A furnace? A heater?
Either.
That's awesome. Made my first purchase. I got says Socialista Brigade. I don't endorse socialism, but I like to have something that reminds me of how terrible and toxic it is. Vintage. What's that? This is yours? Oh, I'll check it out. It's the gentleman that sold me the cool pen or pendant. There's some cool cameras. Maybe that's why he likes me. A bunch of cameras on my chest. That's cool. Any video games? Oh, you're not him. I thought you were. This is cool, babe. What is that? They're butterflies? Let's say bye to Escatsi Market. Still don't know how to say it. Exkeki? It's already an escape room, babe. You gotta figure out how to get in here. What are we doing now?
Oh, escape room. The pirate. The tree.
They're gonna put us in a room. We have to figure out clues on how to get out. Should be fun. Jazz's first time. I've done a few.
A few?
Yeah, I've done about 3.
Wow. It's my first experience.
I don't know if they're gonna allow us to do video in there. Sometimes they're secretive. We'll see. Do we got an escape room into a room? What's this? Oh no. Have we got a reservation? Reservations? Oh my God. We just finished the escape room. Oh, it was amazing. We got so much stuff together, huh, baby?
Oh, yeah.
That's a team building thing. You can take
Yeah.
your workers and all that to that stuff like that.
Oh, yeah. That's amazing.
Or they might just kill each other. How much fun did you have?
A lot. They want more.
She wants another one. That's how I was when we first did it, me and Ken. Oh my God, it was so much fun.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Everything has a button on it.
Jamie. Budapest.
Thank you. I'm nice and fresh and cleaned up. Lined up. Look good?
Perfect.
Mwah. Recommend it. Black Sheep Barbers. Oh, there's a taxi. Thanks. Got here quick. Uh-oh. We made it to Hero Square. This is where all the Hungarian tribal leaders ended up fighting for their freedom, from what I understand. Is that right?
I guess so.
Did you read up on Hungarian culture and history? Now what's this over here? I don't know what that is. So we were just walking around and we turned the corner and there's just a castle. Just a beautiful, awesome castle and a skating rink. That's the beauty about Eastern Europe. It's just one beautiful thing after another. All you gotta do is just walk around. She's definitely getting some. This must be the drink of the country. It's like punch, but it's hot. It's about the 3rd time I've seen that. All right, babe. How many are you gonna get?
Hello.
Hello, how you doing? How much for elote? Ja. It's beautiful, baby. I like this, nice and cold. It feels like Christmas. There's an ice skating rink. It's amazing.
Aquí con anónimos de testigo te digo que te amo. No. Se me olvida la chingadera.
Yeah, what do you mean anonymous? You got a
Ahí,
camera sticking right in your face.
Se llama anónimo.
¿A dónde?
Ahí.
Oh, yeah? Oh, it ain't anonymous anymore. Ain't that right, GoPro, my buddy? Here it is. It's been what? 10 hours? When did we drop off? It's ready now. Over there, because, yeah, it's already wrinkled. I thought it was a full service. They didn't fold nothing, huh? It's all right, doesn't matter. Yeah. It saved us a lot of time. It don't matter. Next mission in Hungary to remove our hunger. Time
Sunday night.
Sunday night, time to eat some dinner. Kebab. Is this a drive-through window? Right. Open. Hello. Ooh, it is nice and warm in here. Okay, I want a
Is
doner.
a doner sandwich a pita?
Tortilla.
Tortilla.
Nice. Do you know anything about tortillas?
Claro.
She's from Mexico.
Mexico.
Full of tortillas. Spicy and full of tortillas.
Medium, large, small.
Medium what?
Medium. Size.
Huh? The size of
Yeah.
the sandwich?
Yeah.
Medium.
With everything spicy, yeah?
Yes.
Very spicy.
Very spicy.
Yeah, very little spicy here in Hungary.
It's gonna be for takeaway.
Take away, yeah.
Is it, babe?
It is.
It totally is. This is a great late night snack. It's like 9 something. Can't wait. It's the closest thing to a burrito we're gonna find here. Oh, it's an outdoor. Okay. We'll figure it out eventually. We did an escape room earlier. We passed. All right, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye. Hopefully he's falafel. What do we have? Just sandwiches, euros. Hopefully they're delicious. That's it for the night. End of vlog. What day is it? I don't know. I'm so hungry. Let's go eat.